Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Razi, and we are doing chapter number 7 of 10th class mathematics. So, we will continue. Chapter number 7, which is about introduction to trigonometry, and we already have learned much about it. So, we are doing exercise 7.3. Today we will learn about the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, reciprocal identities, and the signs of the trigonometric ratios in quadrants: first, second, third, and fourth. Let's start. Dear students, reciprocal identities are sine theta is equal to 1 over cosecant theta. It means that sine theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal of each other. We can replace cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 over secant theta, which means that in any place where there is a secant theta, we can replace it by 1 over cos theta. Similarly, if we have tangent theta which is equal to 1 over cot theta, we can replace tangent theta by 1 over cot theta, but we can't do or we can't use this reciprocal identity because we often use tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. And similarly, on the other hand, whenever there will be a cot theta, we will not replace it with 1 over tangent theta, although cot theta is equal to 1 over tangent theta, but we replace it by cos theta over sine theta to simplify the trigonometric ratios. So moving on, students, the signs of trigonometric functions. In our previous lecture we already have learned about these signs, but for the solution of some questions in 7.3 we need to revise these signs. So students, there are 4 quadrants in a coordinate plane. The first quadrant where there is A written as A for all, and the second quadrant is the quadrant where S is written. S means sine and T means tangent is the third quadrant. Last but not the least, cosine is written in fourth quadrant, that will be named as fourth quadrant. So we practice the signs of the trigonometric functions in first quadrant. Remember students, a sentence is used to remember these quadrant and their relation as add sugar to coffee. A stands for all. It means that in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive, and S mean sine, that means in the second quadrant the sine and its reciprocal are positive, and except these all other trigonometric ratios are negative. Similarly, in third quadrant the tangent and cotangent are positive and all other trigonometric ratios are negative. And in the last quadrant, cosine, which we named as cos, so cos theta and its reciprocal secant theta will be positive and all other quantities will be negative over here. So trigonometric ratios, the trigonometric ratios are sine theta is equal to x over r, and cosecant theta is the reciprocal of it, so it will be r over x. These are the ratios, and formulae that we will use are these are also known as trigonometric functions, as x is equal to r sine theta, and cos theta is equal to y over r. Its reciprocal will be secant theta is equal to r over y, and last tangent theta is equal to y over x, and cot theta is equal to x over y. Dear students, these trigonometric ratios, these formulas can be learned by using the trigonometric ratios. Now we do practice for the question how we can solve questions by using the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. So the question number 9 was remaining of exercise 7.3. Sine theta is equal to minus 1 over under root 2 is given, and we have to find tangent theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta. These three trigonometric ratios are to be found. So let's start. Students, if sine theta is equal to minus 1 over under root 2, it means that sine theta is equal to have y over r. Then y is equal to, it means y is equal to minus 1, and r is equal to under root 2. But to solve the trigonometric ratios, we need to find the value of x as well. So we will use the Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. If we apply the Pythagoras theorem on the right angle triangle, then it will be the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the base plus the square of the perpendicular value. So we have three values: OM is equal to x and PM is equal to y and OP is equal to r. But we know the value of OP is under root 2 and the value of PM is equal to minus 1, and the value of base, that is OM, is not given and we have to find it. So we will use the formula Pythagoras theorem, that is measure of OM is equal to under root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square whole under root the values, using the values of OMX is equal to 2 minus 1 under root x is equal to 1. So by using the Pythagoras theorem we have found the value of x. Now we use the trigonometric ratios tan theta, which is equal to y over x. The value of y is minus 1 and the value of x is 1. So So the answer is -1. The formula of secant theta is y over r, and the y over r over x. The formula of secant theta is y over x. The value of r is 2 and the value of x is equal to 1. So the answer is under root 2. Last, cosecant theta, the formula of cosecant theta is r over y. The value of r is under root 2 and the value of y is -1. When we divide under root 2 by -1, the answer will be -2. So in this way, students, we have completed our exercise 7.3, and in our next lecture we will start our exercise 7.4. So do remember, students, practice makes a man perfect. So do practice at your home, and you will learn a lot. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.